Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Mercedes-Benz is showing the P0345 engine code, or the check engine light just came on, don't worry. In today's video, I'll explain what the P0345 code means, its causes, symptoms, and how to fix it. So let's get started. The P0345 code means there is a problem with the Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Bank 2. In simple words, the ECU engine control unit is not receiving the correct signal from the camshaft position sensor on Bank 2. This sensor helps the engine control fuel injection and ignition timing. So when it fails, engine performance is affected. If your Mercedes has this code, you may notice check engine light on, hard starting or no start, engine misfires, poor acceleration, rough idle, reduced fuel efficiency. Engine may go into limp mode. Ignoring this code can lead to serious engine performance problems. Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Faulty camshaft position sensor. 2. Damaged or broken sensor wiring. 3. Loose or corroded sensor connector. For oil contamination on the sensor. 5. Timing chain or timing issue. 6. ECU or software issue. Mercedes engines are very sensitive to sensor signals, so even minor wiring damage can trigger this code.
It means that the engine control module detected the engine camshaft position sensor circuit is not within specifications. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0345 error code. Method A. The crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft is most often located on the front underside of the engine. It can usually be found mounted to the timing cover. First, carefully remove the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on the crankshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific crankshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the crankshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new crankshaft position sensor. Method B. The camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or it can be located at the front or rear of the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the camshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific camshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new camshaft position sensor. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0345 error code.
After the repair, you can now use the OBD scanner to clear the error code.
And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.